Let's understand the phenomenon of refraction of light through a glass slab. We have taken a torch and a glass slab. Turn on the torch. We can see that the light ray passes through the glass slab. Initially, the ray hits on the glass surface from air to glass medium. Here, the incident ray refracts inside the glass slab towards the normal. Traveling further, the ray hits the other side of the glass slab and passes through the glass medium to air, and the emergent ray deviates away from the normal. We can see that when the incident ray is making the angle 32 degrees with the normal, and the emergent ray also makes the angle 32 degrees with the normal, thus, the refraction of light through a glass slab makes the emergent ray parallel to the incident ray with some lateral shift. Experiments show that refraction of light occurs according to certain laws. Number 1, the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Number 2, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant for the light of a given color and for the given pair of media. This law is also known as Snell's law of refraction. If I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction, then sine I by sine R is equal to constant. This constant value is called the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first.